Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 2024 gram super slim laptop. So friend, LG has announced the thinnest and lightest lineup of laptop with LG gram super slim in a crease white colorway, and the 2024 LG gram super slim stand out with an upgraded processor and sleek profile. And the laptop is designed with ultra portability in mind. The new 15.6-inch white model measured just 0.49 inch and weight a scant 2.18 lbs with Intel Evo Edition powered by Intel Core Ultra 5 125H processor, and delivers improved performance for more productivity and content creation and entertainment, and powered by the Intel Core Ultra processor with integrated AI boost. And the LG gram super slim is faster than previous generation CPU only system, and Intel Core Ultra processor include a specialized AI processing unit alongside supercharged performance to support advanced innovative use cases and demanding applications. And the architecture enables smooth graphics and power efficiency for improved battery life, and is equipped with Intel R graphics card. It has a brilliant 15.6-inch Full HD OLED display with up to 100% DCI P3 color gamut coverage and VESA DisplayHDR True Black certification, delivering expectation image resolution with true to life detail and stunning deep black levels. And the connectivity ports include redesigned compact power adapter and multiple ports including 3 USB Type-C port, 2 of which support Thunderbolt for compatibility, and 4-pole headphone jack to boost efficiency and productivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.